Let's decode for each chakra what are the emotions, how they interplay the effect of emotions. Now root chakra. Now root chakra, when it is in the center, let's imagine all the chakras in the center. So root chakra is, when it is high, it is on the survival mode. When it is on low, we are in fearful mode. What does that mean? Survival mode means the person will always be cranky, or the person will always be in a fear of, like, how will I survive? This will happen, that will happen. No confidence. That is survival issues. How will I survive here? The second is fear issues. What is fear means? Fears, phobias, or not able to grow, not able to think. This emotion is associated with root chakra. Now sacral chakra has two emotions, guilt or pleasure. Either we spend most of our life in guilt, what people will say, what my family will say, what my husband will say, what my boss will say, how will I say, or either have a willpower. I have seen many people in my lifetime who has not even passed their college, who has not even passed their schools, but they are billionaires because of their willpower, because they don't have guilt that I'm not studied or I'm not educated. Their willpower drives them. So such people, when the sacral chakra is balanced, their willpower gets more strong, or they are stuck in the guilt that such people will say sorry so much, sorry I did this, sorry or they will say my bad luck, my bad luck. You see, such sentences come from when your sacral chakra emotions are not balanced. If you find this interesting, we are having a workshop, the manifesting abundance, growth and healing through chakra balancing and astrology, where you will learn many such tips in chakra and astrology and helping you to transform your life. Join our workshop on the power of chakra balancing, astrology and manifestation of abundance and growth and healing in your life. I'm S. Pooja, a healer, author, speaker and entrepreneur, to help you grow and heal through something they do not necessarily understand, but it affects them drastically. We have worked with 1,000+ clients in the past 10 years and helping them to grow and transform their lives. So if you're looking to achieve unobstructed growth, I invite you to join my workshop, where you will learn the importance of chakras, the balancing of it, 3 practical steps of cleansing, balancing and enhancing, the significance of astrology, the planets, how it affects your life, the significance of your name and the date of birth in your growth. This is the GPS coordinates. It's already been written, the script is already been written. So we help you to find the root cause hindering your growth and progress. Click on the link below to register for my workshop if you want to transform your life.